5G, or fifth generation cellular technology, is gaining popularity due to the advantages it offers over previous generations. It has the potential to be a very disruptive technology and is expected to play a major role in enabling technologies and perhaps bringing on Fintech 2.0. Almost all industries will be impacted by 5G, and Fintech will be no exception. The Fintech industry is moving rapidly towards digitalization, currently facilitating online transactions, contactless payments, online account openings, online mortgages, and much more. Banks across the world are also trying to digitalize their services and are launching new innovative products to make banking easier for customers. 5G is expected to accelerate the process of digitalization, as the 5G network would be able to handle larger numbers of transactions than the current network. Here are some of the innovations that we think 5G will unlock in the finance industry and how it will change fintech. The rise of cloud banking and zero waiting time. Financial institutions could leverage cloud use to enhance the delivery of products and services. 5G is set to take the use of cloud to even greater heights in the financial services sector. 5G offers greater transmission speeds and lower latency, making it easier for networks to support connected devices, bandwidth-intensive apps, remote operations, and virtual networks. This will enable banks to get real-time access to common and connected data sets through external and internal channels. Banks that leverage this will be able to verify customer activity instantaneously and securely, streamlining Know Your Customer and authentication processes in real time. When it comes to fintech specifically, the main appeal of 5G at this point is not speed, but ultra-low latency, which is the time it takes for a device to send a command to a remote server and get a reply. Latency looks set to reduce from 50 milliseconds on a 4G phone to under 1 millisecond with 5G. So at the very least, 5G will bring lightning fast real-time user experience to mobile devices, so much so that consumers will experience banking and payment transactions instantaneously on their devices. As you know, the fintech movement has given the finance sector a much needed shot of digital adrenaline within the last decade. But what will 5G really offer in the fintech space? Firstly, real-time personalization. This will make banking staples like payments and transactions instant. It will allow for a quicker but much more robust security feature, and will also pave the way for real-time personalized user experiences when interacting with increasingly data-laden apps and services connected by APIs to various other databases. Personalized mobile VR agents or chatbot advisors will become common on mobile. Secondly, it will enable Internet of Things. 5G's primary use case is in connecting more devices at lower power and lower cost, with more reliability. As a result, the advent of 5G is expected to be met with a surge of Internet of Things devices, including smartphones, wearables, home appliances, and public infrastructure. This will offer banks and payment providers further ground to innovate, making payments more seamless between devices and sensors, making their service a natural and secure part of the customer's daily activities when combined with wearables, AR, and biometrics. For example, a customer could use a pair of augmented reality smart glasses to scan a product for sale in store and apply a discount code and purchase instantaneously. Or another example could aim their smartphone at a concert poster and buy their ticket with a single click. Thirdly, enhanced security and fraud detection. The rise of 5G will bring about a massive surge in transactional flow across new channels, requiring new ways of managing fraud as well as financial and cybercrime. However, organizations will be able to leverage fast maturing technologies like artificial intelligence to comb through vast amounts of transactions and user data instantly to detect fraudulent activity before it occurs. The use of biometrics, advanced verification processes, and multi-layered trust frameworks will also provide more sophisticated user fraud detection and enhanced user protection with minimal disruption to customer experience. There has been a record increase in cybersecurity investment and demand for regulatory technology solutions in the first half of 2021. 5G will open a world of possibilities for further developments in these domains, primarily drawing on increased access to myriad new data signals from devices, machines, and sensors. Next, new trends across consumer and enterprise markets. Standard banking operations could extend to new channels such as wearables. A big feature of 5G is the rise of smart devices and machine-to-machine connectivity with no human intervention. This will usher in the prevalent use of the Internet of Things and sensor communications in smart cities and a widespread democratization of the use of data. 5G heralds the dominant usage of mobile wallets and digital payments to replace traditional banking models. Micropayments and the intelligence derived from these will fuel lending, investment, and risk decisions for consumers, pushing banks towards utility banking models. Fintech players will get a massive boost from 5G worldwide, as consumer experience technologies are the core of banking transformation initiatives. Partnerships between banks, big tech, and fintech companies will be business as usual, as ecosystems rather than single entities become competitive blocks. We see increasing interest and investments in banking as a service and embedded finance solutions, helping further enhance the connectivity between the consumer, corporate, and public sector. 5G will accelerate credit processes. Currently, many lending processes remain largely manual as data availability proliferates through increased digitalization. 5G enhancements will help to optimize lending decisions and improve credit access by enabling the processing of large volumes of data in real time based on predictive algorithms. Industries that can benefit from having accelerated access to a line of credit include specialized sectors such as construction, specialized manufacturing, wholesalers, and medical practice. This will open doors for these non-financial institutions to get into the business of offering credit-based financial solutions embedded across their distribution channels, which expands distribution to more consumers, merchants, supply chains, and businesses. And of course, we couldn't leave out leveling the playing field for cryptocurrency trading. Traders today struggle to place their servers as close to crypto exchanges as possible because the length of the wire affects latency, and therefore how quickly they can place or withdraw an order. 5G removes these barriers, therefore transforming trading. 5G could also usher in a new era of high-frequency trading which could transform stock market transactions. It will be possible for complex decision-making factors, such as those related to politics, economics, society, and technology, to be taken into account in real time to achieve intelligent trading analysis. With the success of buying and selling and millions of dollars per year coming down to just split seconds, 5G will be a highly attractive technology for brokerage firms. 5G will offer fintech brand new possibilities, bringing digital savvy customers new and improved services. Outside of these exciting use cases though, the technology will also enable some 1.7 billion people around the world to access a bank for the first time. 5G looks set to remove bottlenecks from a raft of financial services, which will improve back-end internal operations, front-end client interfaces, and middle office partner collaborations, and further the industry's efforts towards adopting a mobile-centric, human-centric business model. 5G will bring both significant advances and added complexities to real-time financial services. Let us know your thoughts on 5G in the comments below. Has your country adopted 5G, or are you still waiting for it to come? We would love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching.